Am I chasing the storm, or is the storm chasing me? Making a mad dash to my car before I get completely obliterated here. Nice. On my way home from work. Sorry about the shakiness. Got things in my hands. But we got some severe weather rolling in. Driving in it will be bad enough. And you can really see the wind coming in. Oh, there's somebody walking their dog over there. Mine. Yeah, look at that flag whipping up there. And the clouds are just coming like they're racing. My way is blocked by an accident over there, and this is kind of starting to remind me of Cedar Falls in Iowa. I don't usually go home this way on Monday, but traffic is so messed up going through the plaza. I'm just going straight up Main, and I thought maybe the rain was tapering off a little, but I don't know. Pretty intense still. I just passed Union Station. I've noticed some flooding, and a lot of the road construction cones have been knocked over by the wind. Not really bad flooding, at least not on Main Street, but it was coming up to the steps in some of the storefronts down by about 31st. Probably see more up here on as we're coming into downtown. I believe the streetcars are not running right now. There's been some pretty good lightning in this too. I'm just passing from downtown into the River Key area, and the rain is starting to taper off a little bit. The wind has died down, so maybe we're getting past the severe part. I'm looking at the car radar, which isn't very good. You know, Weather Channel radar or whatever it is, and I can see I'm on the north end of it. Looks like the worst is behind me. But if I see anything interesting, I'll pop back in. Well, things are definitely winding down. It was exciting while it lasted. But I'm heading home now, and a detour and everything else. I can see there's been some local flooding. I don't know how much rain we got. Probably hear about it later. But I don't know. I think the front has come through. I'm not sure if I think the action is going to be more to the south of us later this afternoon. I think for here things will be quiet, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Not a weather forecaster. I'm just kind of a weather observer. And you know, the rain has kept a lot of people off the road, so what people are out here have been driving okay, I guess. It's always important in weather like this. But I'm gonna go home and put this together and take my nap. Woohoo! Home sweet home, and it's none the worse for wear. It's good to come home and find it in one piece. Walking the donkeys in the Crossroads. Haven't been here in a while. All right. You like the spot, Stella? Huh? You like the grass? Weather is nice and cool, but it's still pretty humid and rainy. Of course. A little wet there, Jimmy? Hmm? Get a little wet? Is the rain bothering you?
Don't let me poke his butt, so I'll poke his butt. I've been having trouble with this dog. You hear that now? Happy to that wheel. That black.
Yeah, we were going to go a different route, but rain's not letting up. It'll probably let up as soon as we get in the car.
Why you found black? Like. Oh no! What? I always drop stuff. What? I dropped my puppy.
Crossroads is really changing. You say it has to do with the beer flu, but I don't think it has anything to do with the beer flu. It's because of the real estate investment companies that moved in, and so it's going from being artist based to real estate based. And now it's going to be all like loft apartments and residents and bedrooms and maybe a few galleries. I think a lot of the boutique shops I think have always struggled down here because it's really no foot traffic. That's kind of what I think makes it ideal for what they're doing down here. So never really was a lot of foot traffic down here. Maybe back in the old days when this was auto parts and car dealers back in the 50s and the 60s. But in the 70s and 80s, this area was dead. And imagine you could have picked a building up for next to nothing down here. And not now. New building right there. I don't know what that is. But so anyway, it's a good walk. Rainy walk. Happy September 1st, 2020. This day finds me on a Costco run. But first, we must stop for some coffee.
How are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Just $5 each for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
You have a good rest of your day.
You too. Coffee frappe. Now, is it pronounced frappe or frap? Because they pronounce it frap, but by that logic, then wouldn't a latte be a lot? So I go by it's latte, and frappe is spelled the same, except instead of an L, it's an FR in the front. So I say latte frappe or lot frap. But it could be like the wallet wale kind of thing, because you know this thing right here is called a wallet. But when you do a fancy French dance, it's called ballet. Now, shouldn't this be called a wallet? Or shouldn't the fancy French dance be called ballet? Here we are, Costco warehouse. It's like a werewolf, but it's a house. So, it's a warehouse. Gotta do some birthday shopping. Rockstar parking. Got my shopping done, but look at this car over here. It's got a bunch of little cat figures and cats on the seats and everything. What a character. Alright, now I got my shopping done. I went to the Target. I prefer Target over the Mall Wards. And I got the birthday card, and that finishes up everything. And I jacked around a little. I went over to Worst Buy and looked at toys for me, and I saw there's a new dash cam on the market. It's kind of expensive though, but there's a new dash cam on the market. It's 4K and it's got stabilization and everything, and I've been kind of wanting to get a new one for this car. I mean, the one I have is fine. It's just that it's so big, and at night it kind of blinds me. The screen is so bright. I know I can turn the screen down, but it just sort of blocks the whole windshield too. So I'd like to get a little dash cam since I already have navigation in this car, and you know, use that one in the Navion where I have a big window and a big display is fine there. Anyway, time to go home. Hey, welcome to my graveyard shift commute. This is what it's like at dark 30 in the morning. I usually get a nap during the day, which is bad because it's hard to sleep and watch the kids. Unfortunately, the kids have been somewhat cooperating. Otherwise, I wouldn't get hardly any sleep. And then, you know, I get like 6 hours of sleep. Nap. That's my major sleep during the day. And then I try and do things, get some things done, and then I try and get another nap before I have to go to work. And like tonight, I laid down, but I didn't get any sleep. I blame it on the coffee probably I had earlier, but I didn't get sleep. My brain was spinning a million miles a second, so yep, that's what it is. So now I'm heading to work. Woohoo!
I'm
two?
It's somebody's birthday.
Where is
Whose birthday is it today, Zach?
Zach. Mine.
And how old are you? 5?
10.
10? Got the whole family.
Happy birthday from the cat and the rest of us.
From the cat?
Yeah, I kind of wrote in and the rest of us.
Oh, that is.
Hope your wishes come true. Blah blah blah.
Blah, blah,
You mean
blah.
so much to me. Blah
Wow.
blah blah. Okay, now you will get something to eat.
We ran
With
out of
love
fire. Oh,
from
we're not
Katrina,
running out of fire.
your great uncle Steve, your great aunt Slan, Luke, Saya, Luke, Dusty, Stella, and Jimmy. Katrina.
Oh.
I mean, it's from the cat. Look, that's Katrina.
Looks like her a little bit.
Except a little fatter.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zach. Happy birthday to you.
Now we can blow.
Make a wish.
Blow.
All in one take.
I guess he made
Somebody split the candles up. Oh, your great grandma got you trick candles.
You can smell
She
it.
didn't.
Woo!
Get this away.
Yeah, square.
Did you notice you're cutting the sprinkles, Zach?
Look at Saya. Saya's not on a diet. This is her second. She's the only one who
He's
has
opening
second.
his gifts.
Oh, really?
Can you hold this? This is gonna drop.
What is that?
What'd you
Are you
get?
playing with your cake or?
A little
Mmm.
drum. You're gonna be flying that all over.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to charge it up before you can use it, I
Look,
think.
you have it there, Zach.
Make sure we got practice.
I told you, starts with a letter.
Oh, dear. Dog handbook.
Well, there went the drone.
They're tough. They can handle more.
The drum went.
Whoops, sorry, Jimmy.
This must be the
Yeah,
new children's
she's
book.
always there.
What's that?
What's that, Zach?
Big Nate. It's Big Nate says.
Oh, he likes those kind of books, hon.
Well,
See, Uncle
that's,
Steve really knows how to get.
no, he doesn't.
I don't care. Look.
That's a little light
I
for
finish this. I will not.
Mm-hmm.
for what you need a little light for, so you can be seen from the road.
Oh, big mouth.
Let's save the wrapping and the bags.
Save the wrapping in the bag, cause that's.
Do you still like to do that?
Yes. Oh, so heavy.
Yes.
How to be good at math.
Look.
Clothing.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Well, there's a birthday present for your aunt.
Oh, I know.
And guess what?
What?
They have reinforced knees.
Oh yeah,
I'm
definitely need
glad
that.
Your
got
head
those.
so you don't hit the fan.
I'm
Yeah,
glad.
you're about to get a haircut.
Yes. Like it.
Yes.
All right. You sunk my battleship.
You see that, Zach? You have so much friends.
And I have the batteries in the car.
Okay.
I did remember the batteries.
So now you have something you can do for those long Navion trips.
Long sleeve.
Happy
Yes.
birthday, Mr. Zach.
Very.
And how old are you
very
again?
good
2?
because of,
10.
10.
These are
winter cold.
these are 12s.
Yes.
They're probably big.
Oh no.
Bye.